Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Neo 3 GT, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So the first way is much faster. Let's open the dialer, and here we have to enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device, so let's tap on OK. And now another way through the settings. So let's open the settings. Here, let me go back. Here we have to scroll all the way down to find About Phone. And then let's tap on Model, which is right here. And as you can see, right here we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.